Alright, so in the last video we watched, well, you watched me get all this cleaned out and sift through some of the dirt and move some of the concrete blocks and stuff that I had sitting here. Now the whole reason for me doing that is this is the upper corner of the property where I'm at, and I'm going to reorganize the horse waste is the easiest way to say it. We did give some of this stuff away for people to put on their gardens, flower beds or whatever, I'm not quite sure. But they got pretty much grabbed a bunch of it out of here. So I have this stuff here, and you can see where there's more grass on that. That's the older pile. Now this is the newer pile, and this is from the last couple months. Now I did pull some of the fresher stuff off of the older pile and put over here and gave people the stuff that was more decomposed. So now the whole plan right now is we're going to take this pile and we're going to move it back there in that corner. So here we go. Let's see if we get any steam. Alright, well I just got the phone call to come and eat some dinner. This just stays really wet underneath here when you have this stuff, especially if you ended up digging up some of the dirt last time. But we got a good bit of it moved right here back into the corner. And I mean, it doesn't matter that the tree's there, but that's the fresh stuff, and then we can push this back in, and there's not that much there, so we should be able to move this whole pile even in over on top of that, and then we'll have plenty of room for more throughout the year. And then this whole corner can be cleaned up. We got to get a little bit of dirt out here. There's some poison right there we got to spray, but that's where we're at. We're gonna go eat some dinner and then we'll be back. All right, well, we got dinner taken care of. I don't know, it might look a little darker. It's actually a little quieter, but we're gonna get the rest of this pile back there. Alright, so we got most of this stuff moved around. If you could tell by the video, it was pretty sloppy, is the best way to say it. I kind of just drug it out, try to level it out, and I'll give this some time to dry. Hopefully we don't get no rain, because it rains every 3 days, but we'll see what happens there. And we got a nice large pile tucked back in the corner, so we're just finished up here. Thanks for watching.